So today is the day that I have finally met my goal. I just saved up $900 so that I can get my camera. Y'all, when I tell you dedication, discipline, and just being patient is so key, y'all. I'm not doing this to flex in any type of way, but I just saved up what I needed to save up, and now, like, one of my goals are met. So I just wanted to share this just to encourage like somebody that may be trying to save up for something as well. Like, just hang in there, sis. Any amount is an amount. Like, it doesn't matter how big or how small, it all adds up. Like, and it just feels good to accomplish, you know, what you have set out to accomplish. Yeah, I'm gonna keep rambling because God is just good. I'm grateful, y'all. So, let me go deposit this money so that I can order my camera, okay? I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys for supporting me. Cole Gang Pop out. If you haven't already, please subscribe. I love you guys so much. So much great content is coming up, and I'm super excited for it. So, continue to stay tuned, and I'll be back. I'm getting this director's chair, and then I'm gonna get the microphone for the camera. And then this is the camera that I'm gonna get. So the reason why I chose to shop with Amazon is because they sell things in packs. So Amazon need to sponsor me, okay? I'm out here promoting. But they sell things in packs. So had I got it on like Best Buy, I would have just got the camera. But as you can see, this comes with like SIM cards, chargers. It comes with 2 batteries, a camera case, like it comes with the whole 9. And then of course I wanted to get the warranty, safety first, so all of this comes out to that. Like I said, I met my goal, so let's go ahead and get into it. Let's get to the fun part. I want to like get deep right now, okay? So I just want to bring light to like the people that are really trying their best at their 9 to 5 right now. Because honestly, when you know you're like, you know, you're gifted to do certain stuff, or say like you have a product, you're starting a brand for yourself, or you know, like you want to be a singer, you want to be an actor, you want to do something more than just what's average. It's hard to work these 9 to 5 jobs. I'm not even gonna lie. Like today, I was so over it. Like I just said like I'm over it. Like it wasn't I'm over it like I'm gonna quit, because I have to finance my dreams if I want to see anything happen. So this right now is just encouragement for all the people that work 9 to 5s right now. Listen, just keep reminding yourself, I'm only working here to invest in myself. Invest in my dreams, invest in traveling, whatever you want to invest in. Like, that is the only reason right now that you're working for someone else, you know what I mean? And eventually, once we keep investing, we're gonna work for ourselves. Like, we're gonna, you know what I mean? We're gonna have all our goals and dreams met. And I think the fun part for me is setting a goal, getting it done, and then setting another goal, getting it done. Like, it never ends, but you just like progress so much along the way. In this, and then August 24th and August 25th, maybe I'll just vlog. I'll wait to open everything. So August 25th, I'll get back up with you guys, and we're gonna open all the stuff, we're gonna look at it, and we're just gonna be excited together, okay? And another reminder, save up, save up, save up. Alright, you will meet your goal. I love you guys, and I'll be back. outside with it right now. I just wanted to show y'all how it's really looking. Like, I'm loving the quality. I feel like it's all top notch. Oh, say hi to the vlog or the camera, whatever. I'm really liking how it's looking, y'all. It's looking very beautiful. Just to show you guys a little. Everything looks really clear. You see a lot. Could do a lot. I really like it. Y'all could just see the quality in the view. Thank you guys for watching. If you've been rocking with me, Cold Gang Pop Out, you already know what it is. This quality is busting, y'all. Like, this is 4K. This is definitely giving 4K. Oh my god, I'm so excited. It's 4K. So yeah, all right, I love y'all. Let me show y'all this moth, and then I'm gonna get up out of here. Let me show y'all. Let me show you how the camera do it though. Y'all see that? I ain't getting no closer, but that's nasty. I love y'all. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. All right, y'all, so it finally says my package is here, and I've honestly been waiting all day. So my chair is here. Yep. Let me take this off of it, and then I'll show you guys what it's looking like. All right, y'all, so my chair is here. Let's open this bad boy up. Probably have to tilt it this way and cut it. Maybe not. I need a box cutter. Let's watch me do this, okay? Oh. Alright, y'all, so right here it says I gotta slip this thing in there, so more. No face in it, is it? sit in it, see how it holds me. Oh, yeah, the short contour is real cute. It's giving what it's supposed to give. I feel like I need to cross my legs. It's giving what it's supposed to give. Alright, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope this video wasn't too long for you. If you guys want me to do more unboxing videos, just let me know and I'll get it done. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!